A great time to spruce up our homes. Here with 4 great products to do this is home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery. Kathryn, how can we go green and save green at home?
Laura, so I'm sure you've seen it with energy prices skyrocketing across the U.S. We need to think about how to save energy, because I don't know about you, girl, when I open my mail every month, I am frightened. So by installing solar panels, right? By installing solar panels, you can significantly reduce that energy bill, and you're also creating your own clean source of energy. So SunPower, as one of the leaders in solar panels, they've got this amazing battery storage system you're seeing right here called SunVault. So this takes the energy you create from those panels and stores it for you to use when energy prices are high, like during peak hours or during a blackout. So we're seeing so many more of those power shutoff events, wildfires, hurricanes, heat waves. With that battery storage, it gives you the peace of mind to keep your home running when the grid goes down. Don't rely on the grid. Take the power into your own hands with SunPower. They've got a really easy to use app, so you can actually schedule it so that it will pull from that power instead of off the grid, saving money on those energy bills. And then, look at the design. It actually looks beautiful, right? They're sleek design. They're high efficiency, Alora, so they create more energy in less space. So basically that means less panels on your roof. But don't you love that battery storage? I don't want to rely on the grid. I want to take the power into my own hands.
I love that, taking the power into your own hands. It sounds magical. So we all know that changing the light bulb is the easiest way to save energy. Really simple. Is there anything new there?
Let there be light. We know LED light bulbs are an amazing innovation, and they help save you money on your energy bill. What you don't realize is they emit a blue light, and this can affect your sleep, cause a glare when you're reading, create headaches. Not with these True Wave Natural Series LED light bulbs, because they reduce that unnecessary blue light that other LED light bulbs emit. So you're getting light as close as you can get to the natural sunshine all year round out of your light bulb. For reading, for sleeping, everyday tasks around the house. I know you feel me with here, putting on your makeup. You really see truer colors. There's my husband doing a task around the house. So in honor and to celebrate Earth Day, LED Vance, the makers of LED light bulbs, think that the planet and you deserve better. And so do I, by the way. So go to the website you see right here, and then you can learn more and get these great light bulbs in your house.
All right, perfect. All right, so we have 2 more things to talk about really fast. What is your must-have for cleaning outside?
Okay, get a broom. Get a really durable broom. This is a quickie 2-in-1. So dry wet messes, they have you covered. It's a broom on one side, a squeegee on the other. So the bristles are mixed in there, so you get really heavy duty messes or fine dust particles. Flip it over for those wet messes, and you're getting rid of all those wet messes. It's heavy duty. You can leave it outside. You don't have to worry about it. Go into Home Depot and pick that up. Speaking of Home Depot, you can also go to homedepot.com and take the power into your own hands, girl.
Look at you flexing.
Your own yard care. Right? You like that? You can do your own yard, and also no emissions, so no gas coming out of this. So when you get into this battery platform, this is the Green Machine 62-volt lithium-ion powered lawnmower. It has everything you want in a lawnmower and more. 45 minutes of runtime, a steel deck, 6 different cutting positions that you can easily get to, self-propelled, easy to use. You saw all those different tools on the screen, though. Once you get into that battery platform, you're in that battery platform, and then you really just can take the power into your own hands. And I love it because without that gas, it's less noise, less emissions. Your neighbors thank you. The planet thanks you. So go check those out. Those are exclusive to homedepot.com.
All right, Kathryn, you just showed us how to go green in our own lawns. Pun intended. Kathryn, thank you so much for joining us. We've loved having you.
Always love being on. Thanks for having me, girl, and happy spring.
You too.